Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we got a fun project going on. We're going to show you the step-by-step process on how to hang floating shelves, in our case behind our bar. Let's get started. In front of us now is the box of the 4 shelves, and there is the brand, again a set of 4. At this point all 4 shelves are out of the box, and the black finish is really nice. I like the framed finish and edges as well. The actual shelves are very light. Here are the connection points on the back. As you can see, a metal clip held on by 3 Phillips screws, and there's one on each side. It also comes with a very friendly template that you can use when installing the shelves, and we are going to use scissors to cut the template shelves out. Tape it on the wall and mark all of the top center points of the clips. At the wall we are going to hang the shelves. I've got the templates cut out. Let's go ahead and place them on the wall. Alright YouTubers, making progress. I have the templates properly set in the location that we want them, and the benefit of this kit, you have the option of placing your templates wherever you want them and in whichever layout or design you want them. From here, we have screws that come with the kit, and this is a very important step. You want to place this screw in the dead center of this hole as best as you can, and once you find the dead center point, go ahead and apply pressure and drive that screw tip into your drywall, and continue this process for the remaining mark points on each shelf. Next, rather than using the blue plastic anchors that came with the kit in the box, I'm going to use 75-pound drywall anchors. And again, here is the back portion that the shelf hooks on to the screw inside the anchor. Back to the templates. Since I've already placed the indent into the drywall, I'm going to carefully remove the templates off the wall. With the template removed, carefully align the drywall anchor in place, apply the pressure, and begin screwing it into the drywall. Carefully screw this anchor in until the face of the anchor is flush with the drywall. Do not over tighten it. Next thing you want to take into consideration is look at the difference between these screw heads from the screws that come with the kit compared to the screws that come with the anchors that you may use. What I found was I'm going to use the 75-pound anchors. However, I'm going to insert these screws that came with the kit because the screw head here is just slightly too big to fit into that slot. Carefully align it properly, insert it, and secure it by hand until it becomes tough, and then grab your Phillips screwdriver and secure it. And I recommend screwing the screw in until the screw head itself is about 1/8 or 1/16 of an inch from the drywall anchor itself. From here, we'll do the other side. Both drywall anchors and screws are secure. We'll go grab the shelf. First shelf is fully installed, and I grab my level. And what I recommend as you shift this shelf in place on the screws, tap on each side until it is level, because it's possible that one side will set itself, however the other side is not properly shifted all the way in place. So continue tapping on the back side near the screw and wall until it is fully set and level as shown here. From here, we'll do the same steps and install the upper shelves. All 3 shelves are hung, however the top is secured, the bottom is secured. I want to show you something with this right one. In the event that you are at the point of resting your shelf on the screws in the drywall anchors and it is still loose like that, that is okay. All you have to do is carefully screw in the screws in the drywall anchors, maybe 2 to 3 more turns. Turn the screws 2 to 3 times and verify it is level. From here, the drywall anchors above, as I was inserting them, dropped a little bit of drywall dust on the lower shelf, and I'm going to vacuum up the floor and the shelves. Alright YouTubers, the finished product is shown now, and we used all 4 shelves. You don't have to use all 4 shelves, however we wanted to. And we'll start with the very bottom shelf. You've got the 4 horsemen: Jack Daniels, Johnny Walker, Jim Beam, and John Jameson. And in the event that you alleviate Jameson, you've got the 3 wise men. And up to the right we've got Crown Royal and 1800 Silver Tequila. And up top we've got Beefeater, which is a London gin, very popular in London as well as here in the States. On the far left you've got Dewar's White Label Scotch. And check this out, in the middle is the Woodford Reserve Kentucky Derby 146th anniversary bottle. And check that date out right there. You'll notice May 2nd, 2020, which was literally just a few days ago. And that is the day that the Kentucky Derby for 2020 was supposed to run. However, unfortunately, due to the global pandemic of the coronavirus, the Kentucky Derby was canceled and moved to a later date in September. So our goal in September is to have a small gathering and open that bottle and watch the Kentucky Derby. Over to the left, you've got Aviation American Gin, and if any of you know Ryan Reynolds, the actor, this is his branded gin, and it's very good. So that's it, YouTubers. Shelving, less than $40. I will say the most important thing about installing these shelves is adding better drywall anchors that will withhold more weight. In the event that you go with the ones that came in the package, you will definitely be weight restricted and not able to hold the weight we are showing in this video. So hopefully this helps, YouTubers. Hey, do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very awesome and very helpful to us. Again, thanks for watching.